Well, Torrey Pines High School's future lawyers are heading to the statewide mock trial next month.
The team beat out more than 40 other San Diego County schools in the local mock trial competition, a program giving students hands-on experience and learning about the law. And joining us now with more on this exciting competition, we have Dean Smith, one of the mock trial team members at Torrey Pines High School, and the Honorable Michael S. Grosh, a presiding judge with the San Diego Superior Court. We want to thank you both for being here.
Thanks for having us.
Yes, this is very exciting. And I'm looking at you because I know you're a senior now, Dean, but you have to tell us about the mock trial. Okay, 42 schools, more than 800 students. Talk about pressure.
Yeah, no, it is very, disconcerting while you're in the courtroom because you're doing it in front of a real judge and you have real attorneys scoring you. But, we all really do love it, so it's exciting competing with other schools as well.
You know, this truly is like a real trial that's going on in there. So let's take a look now at some of the moments from court.
Your Honor, today the defense is moving to suppress a folder labeled Morgan Sears' Align Fraud found on the defendant Haley from Holtz's computer on the grounds that it was obtained in violation of my client's Fourth Amendment rights. The facts of our case today are most similar to U.S. v. Purcell. A third party made statements which reasonably suggested to responding officers that she had authority.
So what was the case this year? And I can kind of guess, but what side were you on?
So I actually was on two sides. For the pretrial motion, which is kind of just what got shown, I was on the prosecution side. So I was arguing that a piece of evidence should not be suppressed from trial. And then for the trial side, I was on the defense. So I was kind of protecting somebody from going to jail.
Oh my goodness. So you guys won in 2024. You came in second place statewide. How does one prepare for something like this?
Right. Well, so you get a whole big packet of facts, and it's kind of like a story at the beginning of the year, and then it's filled with witness statements and prior case law, and then you need to spin all of these facts into your own case with cross-exams, direct examinations, and closing and opening arguments with witnesses and attorneys and even a bailiff as well. So it's really exciting.
You know, Your Honor, I've got to ask you, do a lot of students these days want to become lawyers?
It's great. We do have a lot of students who want to become lawyers, and a lot of them get the taste for it starting in high school from this competition. And we've had students come through who eventually become lawyers that we see in court, and it's really very fulfilling.
And I'm reading that there are more than 200 judges that were involved in something like that. What made you want to be part of this?
Oh, it's exciting for us. It's a ton of work, but I mean, it's the kind of work we really, really enjoy. To see the enthusiasm and the level of skill of these high school students rival the skills of some of our attorneys is really impressive. And so it's just such a joy to be a part of seeing these students gain confidence, wrap their hands around a trial and a problem, and get to perform in front of real judges. It's great both ways.
So Dean, what kind of skills do you think that students walk away from an experience like this?
I mean, I think public speaking is a pretty obvious one, but I think the most significant one for me was quick thinking. Whether you're doing the pretrial motion or you get an objection, you're kind of forced to be up there and you're gonna have to come up with an argument right on the spot. So it is really scary once you start, but it kind of makes all of us realize that kind of when we practice and when we get used to it, we're capable of a lot.
Okay. When is the statewide competition?
It's March, so it's the second to last weekend of March. I think it's the 20th through 22nd in Oakland.
So you have your case already?
We have our case already, yep, and so now we're competing against other counties in California.
Do you get help from him on this?
Coincidentally enough, I judged one of his rounds, and he really is quite excellent, and so
I appreciate it.
He and his team deserve to win our rounds, and I know they're going to really do well, if not win, in Oakland. We're excited for
It's a great endorsement. All right.
Thank you.
Good luck on the.
Yes, and you have to keep us posted, okay?
Yeah.
When you win, you come back,
Yeah.
okay?
Bring him with you.
I'm happy to.
Come out of the courtroom. All right. Thank you both.
Thank you.
Nice to see you
Best
both.
of luck in the championship.
Thank you, I appreciate it.